Alright, so what is going on, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we are going to be unboxing the SteelSeries Arctis Pro gaming headset for PS4 and PC. This one is a little bit different from other SteelSeries headsets that I've seen before. This one is RGB apparently, and it also has a game deck. So this one is a wired headset, Dolby Audio, high-res audio, DTS, headphones, X. I don't know, a bunch of brands are attached to this SteelSeries headset. So with that being said, I really hope that this one sounds really good. Let's see here. So we got high-res speakers, aluminum and steel frame, air weave fabric, game chat balance, and clear cast mic. So obviously, of course, in the full review we'll be checking out the microphone quality, audio quality, comfort, all of that good stuff. But in today's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video showing you guys what comes in the box, so that if you pick this up you kind of know what to expect when you're taking everything out, just to make sure it has everything that you're looking for. So anything in here? Nope. Got the headset front and center. I do like this this white and black color scheme, matches my PC. Got like a stormtrooper vibe going on. Rotating ear cups, okay, pretty nice. I do kind of wish that the little bit of swivel motion right here was a little bit more, but not bad, not bad. Hopefully that really helps out with the comfort of the headset too. Retractable mic, okay. Mute button, it's pretty cool. Volume controls on the headset. That looks like some kind of USB input right there too. I don't know what exactly that is, but it looks like some kind of USB input. Of course, right there is where you plug the headset in. Are these removable? Yeah. So these are speaker tags that you can swap out. Maybe SteelSeries has some speaker tag options that you can pick out online. Let's make sure both of them are. Yep, both of them are. So that's pretty cool. They're magnetic. And if you want to swap out the look of your headset, it should be pretty easy to do. We'll take a look at their website too and see if they have some more options. But we'll leave that for the full review. So this is the game DAC. This looks like basically like an equivalent to like an Astro A40 mix amp. Let's see here. So we got another USB input there. Maybe that's for charging. Oh wait, no, there's nothing to charge. It's not wireless. I don't think it's wireless. Mobile, line out, USB, and optical. So we're gonna connect it via USB to the PC. I wonder what this is for. Maybe this is to update the firmware on the headset or something. That's kind of what I assume. That's what that port looks like it's for. But we'll see. We'll check it out. Accessories. Let's check these out real quick. Okay, so we got documentation, USB cable, mobile adapter. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Main headset cable. Headset to game deck. Oh, okay, so that's interesting. Do I need two cables connected to it, or is that kind of just optional? This is our optical cable. And this is like a little piece for the microphone. Like if you need a wind cover for your microphone, for like your P's and S's and all that good stuff. So this right here is everything that comes in the box with the Arctis Pro. So we've got the headset itself with the microphone, the comfort band, ear cups, all that good stuff already installed and done. So you don't really need to touch the headset or do anything to it. Next, you got your optical cable. This is to plug it into your PS4. Then you also have your mobile adapter. So more or less this cable here, which is really interesting. I was wondering what this cable was going to be for, because there was that weird port on the bottom of the headset. More or less, this is probably going to be maybe a little bit better quality than a 3.5mm jack, and maybe that's why they went with something like this. So you're gonna plug this into your headset, into your game deck right here. Then we got the pop filter for the microphone, and then we have a USB 2.0 cable that's going to connect the game deck to your PC or PS4. Then of course the documentation. But that's pretty much it in terms of everything that comes with the headset. Now setting it up should be really easy, and I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. Alright guys, so once you have your Arctis Pro set up, it's probably going to look a little something like this. So we've got our headset plugged into the game deck here. Your headset is going to be plugged in on the side with that kind of square-ish looking cable, this 3.5mm jack I'm not really sure what that's for. Maybe if you just want to use the headset to listen to music on your phone, if your phone still has a 3.5mm jack, you can use this. But if you want to play games and use it with the Game Dac, you have to use this cable that's included with your headset. And then to get it all set up and plugged into your PC, you're going to want to install the micro USB cable, and then you run this micro USB cable to your PC. Now if you want to use this with your PS4, you're going to have to plug in the optical cable. That's going to give you that higher quality audio on PS4. Plug this into the optical port on the back of your PS4 or PS4 Pro. The PS4 Slim, you'll have to use the USB to optical cable adapter, and then you plug this into the USB to get power and chat to your headset. But otherwise, like I said, if you're gonna use it on PC like I am, all you need is the USB cable. And then of course, especially if you're playing on PC, there may be an update available for your headset, so be sure to download the SteelSeries engine. That way you can download the latest software and firmware updates for your headset, and you're able to customize your settings a little bit more. Before I end this unboxing video, since I got the headset all out of the box, put it on, test the comfort, and I'm gonna do a quick mic test for you guys as well so you guys can hear how this headset's mic sounds. We got the Arctis Pro on, we got the RGB working of course, and now we are recording off of the mic in the Arctis Pro. So of course, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think of the mic test, but we're going to talk about some other things right now too. So I've got the SteelSeries engine software up. There was a software update that was available for the headset, really easy to do. You just follow the prompts, it'll show underneath the Arctis Pro gaming headset that there's a critical update available. I don't know exactly what it fixes or does or improves or whatever, but just do it anyways because that notification is going to be there until you do it. So in here, let's go ahead and see what kind of different options we can go ahead and configure. I did change a lot of things, as you guys have probably seen in that quick time lapse that I did of me playing with the Game Dac and setting everything up. I did turn on the surround sound. Let's check it out. The surround profile, we're going to go to game. Stereo profile, let's leave it on default. Bass enhancement, let's put it on low. You know, we'll check it out. Dialogue, none. Equalizer, just the regular smiley equalizer. So higher lows and higher highs, medium mids, and hopefully we're all good there. Gain, they only have high and low. Just put it on high. Output, I think that's going to be for the output port on the back of the Game Dac. We're not using that right now, so we'll hit save there. And then the mic side tone, I have it on high because I like to hear myself when I'm talking so that I'm not talking too loud, so that, you know, I'm not screaming my friend's eardrums out when I'm raging. And then you have your microphone volume. If your friend said that your mic is too low, it's really easy to adjust your volume. Then you got the illumination. You can change the different illumination effects. Left and right ear cups or have them linked together. I do have it on linked. Right now we have it on the RGB. You can set either color shift, multicolor breathe, and it looks like you'd have different presets too. So if I want to have it color shifting between blue and purple, there it goes. See, that's pretty cool actually. That's really nice. So we'll leave it on the blue and purple because I mess with blue and purple for sure. OLED screen brightness, let's max that baby out. It does get pretty decently bright too. And then we'll have the screen timeout never, because it's always going to be plugged in. So let's leave the screen on, it looks cool, right? We'll save those settings, and that is pretty much it. To me, the software is pretty good. SteelSeries always has some pretty decent software baked in with their products, whether it be their headsets, their keyboards, their mics. SteelSeries always does a good job, and I think that's one of their biggest advantages that they have over some other brands. But alright guys, I'm gonna get to gaming with this thing. I'm gonna test it out, see what I think of it. I'm kind of glad that I got a PS4 headset too, because I got some other unboxings for some other PS4 related products that I'm going to be doing this week too, so you guys can check them out. But alright guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Let me know what you guys think about this SteelSeries mic in the comment section below. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new, and I will catch you guys in the full review. If you guys do want to pick up this headset, I will have it linked in the description below, so you can check it out there, look at some more details, and if you're already interested in buying it and you want to try it as well, feel free to. But alright guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one.